Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for CompTIA IT Fundamentals. You can download the complete list of CompTIA based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on IT fundamentals is: what is the significance of a subnet mask in networking? Your answer should be: a subnet mask is used to divide an IP address into network and host portions, determining the network and host addresses of devices within a subnet and facilitating routing of data packets within the network. Our next interview question is: describe the function of a DNS server in network communication. Your answer should be: a DNS server translates domain names, for example www.example.com, into IP addresses, for example 192.0.2.1, allowing clients to access websites and other resources on the Internet using human-readable domain names. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of a traceroute command in networking? Your answer should be: the traceroute command is used to trace the path that data packets take from the source to a specified destination, identifying the routers and network segments along the way and measuring packet latency. Our next interview question is: describe the purpose of an access control list ACL in network security. Your answer should be: an access control list ACL is a set of rules or policies that determine which users or devices are granted or denied access to network resources, services, or data based on predefined criteria. Our next interview question is: what is the purpose of a subnet? Your answer should be: a subnet is a logical subdivision of an IP network, allowing for efficient use of IP addresses and better network management by organizing devices into smaller groups. Our next interview question is: describe the purpose of a MAC address, that is Media Access Control address. Your answer should be: a MAC address is a unique identifier assigned to a network interfaces for communication within a network. It is used at the data link layer of the OSI model to ensure that data is sent to the correct destination. Our next interview question is: explain the difference between a hub and a switch in networking. Your answer should be: a hub is a basic networking device that broadcasts data to all connected devices, while a switch is a more intelligent device that forwards data only to the intended destination device, improving network efficiency and security. Our next interview question is: what is the function of an IP address? Your answer should be: an IP address is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a network, allowing devices to communicate and exchange data with each other over the Internet or other networks using the Internet Protocol IP. Our next interview question is: define the term router in networking. Your answer should be: a router is a networking device that forwards data packets between different networks, such as connecting a local network to the Internet. It uses routing tables to determine the best path for data transmission. Our next interview question is, what is the significance of a gateway in networking? Your answer should be, a gateway is a networking device or software that connects different types of networks, such as a local network, to the internet, allowing communication between devices on different networks. If you are preparing for any CompTIA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.